Okay, you want to read your book?
Yeah.
Okay, read your book. What is that? That's a hummingbird. Good job. Bumblebee. Good job. No, where's the owl? Can you find the owl? Owl. Good job. Owl. What does an owl say? No, owl says hoo, hoo. Say hoo, hoo. Owl, you're right. Where's the bumblebee? Bumblebee. Butterfly. Say butterfly. Good job. Are you all done?
No.
Okay. Owl? That's not the owl. Where's the owl? Yeah, that's the bumblebee. That's a bird. Can you say bird? Bird. Good job. Bumblebee. That's right. Oh. Say love you.